Hey everyone, Sam here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at BrowserAgent, a new AI-powered browser automation platform that can actually do work for you online. While most AI tools simply generate text, ideas, or instructions, BrowserAgent goes a step further by opening websites, navigating pages, clicking buttons, filling out forms, collecting information, and completing tasks automatically inside a real browser. What makes BrowserAgent particularly interesting is how easy it is to use. You simply describe what you want done in plain English, and the AI gets to work. It also runs in the cloud, so you can launch a task and let it continue working even when you're not sitting in front of your computer. On top of that, BrowserAgent includes hundreds of ready-made automation missions that can help with lead generation, market research, data collection, competitor analysis, and many other everyday business tasks. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how BrowserAgent works with a full demo. We'll go through the complete funnel so you can see what's included in every upgrade, and I'll also reveal the exclusive bonuses I've put together for anyone who decides to purchase through my link. Now, enough talking. Let's jump straight into the demo and see BrowserAgent in action. At the top, you've got your main navigation, missions, templates, mission builder, scheduled tasks, results, and browser profiles. Down here in Mission Control, you can see your stats. And on the standard plan, you get 3 workers, meaning you can run up to 3 tasks simultaneously. Right now, they're standing by, waiting for instructions. Let me show you how simple it is to create a mission from scratch. You give it a name, describe the task in plain English, literally just type what you want done, add a starting URL if you want, choose your output format, and hit Run. That's it. No code, no API keys, no technical setup whatsoever. I asked BrowserAgent to go to Google Maps, search for dentists in Miami, Florida, and collect the name, address, phone number, and website for the first 20 results. Watch what happens. It opens a real browser, navigates straight to Google Maps, searches for dentists in Miami, and starts pulling up listings. This is not a screenshot. This is not a simulation. This is a live browser working in real time. On the right, you can see the AI action log. Every single step documented live. It navigated to the URL, waited for the page to load, discovered the data structure, and now it's running scripts to extract the information. All autonomous. I didn't click a single thing. You can already see results coming in. Relax and Smile Dental Care, Alfonso Dental Miami, dentists in Brickell, with ratings, addresses, everything. 140 steps completed. Fully autonomous. And down here in the results, 20 Google Maps listings for Miami dentists with name, address, phone number, and website URL, saved to CSV and ready to download. That took about 13 minutes of zero effort. A lead list like this you could sell to a dental marketing agency for $200, $300 easy, and you can schedule this to run every single day in any city, any niche, completely hands-free. Let me show you the templates library first. And this is where BrowserAgent really becomes a business in a box. You've got 50 ready-to-run missions across 6 categories: lead gen, social media, e-commerce, competitor intel, jobs and outreach, and content and SEO. This one for e-commerce and dropshipping. I ran the Amazon Trending Product Finder template, pointed it at kitchen and home bestsellers, and asked for the top 15 products. 15 rows collected. Look at this data. Product name, price, rating, review count, direct product URL, even the image URL, ready to use. This is exactly the kind of product research dropshippers pay Jungle Scout or Helium hundreds of dollars a month for. BrowserAgent just did it in minutes for free. And you can schedule it to run every single morning, so you're always tracking what's trending before your competitors. And now, stay tuned. The official BrowserAgent demo from the creator himself is coming up right after this. Watch it, and you'll see exactly why this is the biggest launch of 2026.
Welcome to BrowserAgent AI. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to now control your browser and literally do anything and everything that you do on your web browser and get things done a lot faster. Now imagine if you go to a website, you browse websites, you create an account, you log in, you grab data, anything that you do manually, you use a software, you go here, you click this, you click that, you right click, you download, whatever you do, now AI can do it for you. All you have to do is give it instructions. So for example, BrowserAgent AI, the AI can go to Google Map lead scraping, scrape businesses listed on Google Maps with contact details listing in hours. It can collect LinkedIn profile by job titles, industry, and location, extract member names and profiles from Facebook group, scrape property from Zillow, refine realtor.com, extract reviewers name and reviewers details from a Google business profile. It can analyze top Instagram posts for hashtags and find related trending hashtags, like and reply to recent tweets about a topic, use a caption, and respect platform limits. It can extract listing from Craigslist by category, city, and search them, extract hotels or restaurants from TripAdvisor. Tons of things that you can imagine. It can track Google keyword ranking for your website. It can visit any lead website and draft personalized cold email. It can send personalized LinkedIn connection requests. It can do social media. It can create and post content for you. It can audit title tags, check broken links, do eBay complete comparison of the product, Shopify product comparison, and catalog scraper, analyzing Amazon product reviews, Amazon trending products finder, anything and everything that you can think of, it can do. Now, here's how BrowserAgent AI works. There are 3 things that you see on your dashboard: run a new mission, view all mission, and manage browser profiles. So let me first explain you what a mission is. A mission essentially is the task that you give the browser or the AI, browser AI, to do. So we go to mission and you click on create mission to create mission, or you could go to templates and pick from hundreds of pre-made job task missions that we have created that you can just use. So for example, we want to use one of the missions here. So let's go with the first one, the Google Map lead scraper. So it does Google Map lead scraper. Go to Google Map and search for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace business type to roofers in Orlando. For each of the first 10 results, collect business name, phone number, website, all these details. Save all results in a structured table. Now you can give it more tasks, like save all the results on a Google sheet, then analyze them and do this and that. So you can add more to it, but this is like a template, right? There's a URL where Google Maps is going to be. Now browser profile, essentially profile means you can add your login credentials. For example, if you're doing a Twitter task, you need the AI to log into a Twitter account. So you can create a profile with a username and password of Twitter account that the AI can use. And the output can be CSV or text, whatever you want. Now you can either run this mission right now, or you could schedule it to run daily, once, or weekly at a specific time and notify you when the task is completed, or if there's an error, or notify you by email. We want to run it right now, so I'm going to click on run mission now. Now this is what's going to happen. The AI will start computing and start running the mission for you, the task for you. And when it uses the browser, you'll be able to see that it's using the browser in the background here. Now, the way it uses browser is BrowserAgent AI has its own Chrome browser. So it's not using your desktop browser. So you are fully safe and secure. Like, it's not gonna touch anything on your browser. It has its own browser in its own environment. And as you can see, AI is doing all of that. It went to roofers in Orlando. It found all of that. You can see all the commands that's running on the right hand side here, and then all the data that's collected will show up here. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to do all the work and browse everything, and then once it's done, you can of course go back and replay this entire process where you see the browser going in and doing all the work and everything, and watch it live do all of that. And as you can see, the results are up here, and then you can see all these results saved in the results tab here as well, where you can just download them as the CSV file. As you select it says completed, you can download them. All the data is here. Now same way you can run all these missions and it will do all of this. Now if you want to do something special that is not part of the template, you can just go to create mission, give it a name, my custom mission, and literally just describe what you wanted to go, what you wanted to do, like go to AI calling software, and then you give it the URL, and then you create a profile. I'll show you how to do a profile. So you create a profile where you give it the login to AI calling software username and password, and you select that and you give it the login URL, and then just go to AI calling software and create a new outbound campaign by learning the software and setting up the AI calling agent. So it will just go out and do all of that, and you don't need to, it doesn't matter what you select here, because you can just like keep it text and you can schedule it at a specific time and all that stuff. So a lot of things you can do. Now we also have something called Mission Builder. What Mission Builder essentially does is you can daisy chain, let me just show you how it works. You can daisy chain multiple missions into one. So you can take one of the missions that is a email extractor, describe it, add it to the chain. Then you can add another based on if condition, and you can add that as well. So like you go into templates and you'll be like, okay, I want you to run the Google scraper first, and then want you to run LinkedIn's profile scraper. And then once you've done both of those, do an Instagram hashtag research, and then do a cold email approach one where you write personalized cold email approach. And then next one you go do a search position tracking, and then send all that email to me. So you create like this custom mission where you can mix match multiple missions, and based on results you can add if and else conditions as well. So you can go if and else branches as well. If the scraping is successful, do this. If the scraping is unsuccessful, do this. If you find more than 10 clients, do this. If you find less than 10 clients, do that. So you can do multiple of those chains. You can save the chain and run the chain as well. And this is where you create your browser profile. So it's very simple. You click on add profile, you give it the name of the profile, the URL of the profile, the username and password. So like facebook.com, Facebook, your username and password here. It's saved, it's encrypted, so it's not shared by anybody. Not even the browser or us can access the data, because it's encrypted by AES 256 encryption. And only when the browser accesses that profile, it automatically gets access to it without even AI accessing the username and password, because it's all done in the background. Now once your mission's completed, you can go here and you can view the mission, duplicate it, export it, rerun it, or delete it. If you want to do that, you can do all of these things. So this is how BrowserAgent AI works. Super easy, super powerful, and it is one of the easiest way to get work done. Like instead of you sitting and browsing website and doing all the research and manually posting content and writing content and stuff like that, you can now have browser do all of that. It can submit data, it can fill web forms in bulk, you can submit government public record, you can search government public record, you can do bulk directory submission, Google Search Console data viewing, sitemap extractors, lot of things, anything and everything that you can do manually on the browser, BrowserAgent AI will do it for you on automation on a regular basis if you want. And you get access to tons of these ready-made templates, and of course you can create your own mission, and then you can also create daisy chain missions based on if and else. Like if you want to build mission A that does this result, then do mission B, else do mission C, and things like that. So that's how BrowserAgent AI works. Super easy to use, super easy to get things done. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.
The front-end offer gives you access to BrowserAgent itself, an AI-powered browser agent that can perform real online tasks for you. It can navigate websites, click buttons, fill forms, collect data, automate repetitive work, schedule tasks, and even provide smart summaries of the results, all while running in the cloud. Upsell 1 is DFY Empire. This upgrade is designed for users who want the fastest path to getting results. The BrowserAgent team prepares missions, target lists, outreach scripts, email sequences, and client resources for you, reducing the learning curve and helping you get started much faster. Upsell 2 is Agency Pro. This upgrade is aimed at freelancers and agencies and includes commercial rights, client management tools, white label branding, client accounts, and the ability to offer BrowserAgent-powered services under your own brand. Upsell 3 is Chain Builder Pro. This allows you to connect multiple missions together into complete automated workflows. You can create advanced processes where the output of one task automatically becomes the input of the next. Upsell 4 is Unlimited Ghost. This upgrade removes limitations and unlocks advanced features such as multiple AI workers running in parallel, 24/7 cloud execution, stealth scraping capabilities, API access, and enterprise-level automation. Next, there's the Fast Pass. Instead of purchasing multiple upgrades separately, Fast Pass instantly unlocks Agency Pro, Chain Builder Pro, and Unlimited Ghost in a single package. It also includes premium access to AI offices, Agency Real, and Local Biz AI, along with priority servers, extended AI credits, and VIP setup support. During checkout, you'll also see 2 order bumps, the Mega Bundle and DFY Empire. The best overall value is the BrowserAgent Bundle. This package includes the Frontend, Agency Pro, Chain Builder Pro, Unlimited Ghost, premium access to AI offices, Agency Real, and Local Biz AI, plus additional bonuses such as priority servers, extended AI credits, and VIP concierge support. Just like the FastPass, you'll also have the option to add the Mega Bundle and DFY Empire order bumps during checkout. If you're about to grab BrowserAgent, hold on for a second, because I've put together a bonus package designed to help you get even more value from the automation power of BrowserAgent. You're not just getting an AI browser worker, you're getting a complete AI business toolkit that can help you generate leads, create content, drive traffic, and turn BrowserAgent's automation into real business results. Bonus 1. Premium Agentic AI Business Automation Platform. Deploy smart AI agents that engage leads, answer questions, close sales, and manage customer support. While BrowserAgent helps you find opportunities, these AI agents help you convert them into customers. Bonus 2. The all-in-one AI Business Command Center. Create videos, websites, funnels, social content, images, and marketing assets from one platform. It's the perfect companion for turning the data and opportunities found by BrowserAgent into complete marketing campaigns. Bonus 3. The automated Reddit traffic and sales machine. Generate traffic, leads, and sales from Reddit using AI-powered content creation and automation tools. Use it to promote offers and capitalize on opportunities discovered by BrowserAgent. Bonus 4. The AI-powered Faceless Instagram Growth Engine. Build and grow faceless Instagram pages with automated content creation and posting. A great way to turn BrowserAgent research and market insights into social media traffic. Bonus 5. The AI-powered Faceless YouTube Channel Creator. Create complete faceless YouTube videos, including scripts, thumbnails, titles, and descriptions. Perfect for transforming BrowserAgent's research and trend data into video content. Bonus 6. Smart Interactive AI Presentation Builder Suite. Create professional presentations, client reports, and business pitches with AI. Ideal for presenting lead generation data, research findings, and opportunities gathered through BrowserAgent. Bonus 7. The AI-driven 3D Avatar Creation Platform. Create spokesperson videos, promotional content, and engaging presentations using AI avatars and video templates. A powerful way to market services powered by BrowserAgent. Bonus 8. The AI-powered 8K Movie Creator. Produce cinematic marketing videos, promotional content, and sales assets with AI. Use it to showcase products, services, or opportunities identified through BrowserAgent. Bonus 9. The Advanced AI App Collection. Access a wide range of AI tools for graphics, voiceovers, avatars, animations, and more. Everything you need to create content around the data and leads. BrowserAgent helps you generate. Bonus 10. Unlimited AI hosting on NVIDIA GPU servers. Host websites, funnels, apps, and client projects with fast performance and reliable uptime. Perfect for supporting the businesses and campaigns you build with BrowserAgent. And that's not all. You'll also get my exclusive bonuses, a complete vault of additional AI tools covering 25+ AI assistants, social media traffic automation, ready-to-deploy AI coaches, autoresponders, video and website ranking, content production, ebook and podcast creation, funnel and website builders, graphic design, video creation, cloud storage, and QR code generators. On top of that, you'll receive the vendor bonuses, including official trainings, extra apps, and resources provided by the BrowserAgent team to help you get up and running faster. This entire bonus package alone is worth far more than the price of BrowserAgent, but it's yours completely free when you purchase through my link. Click the link in the description now and lock in all these bonuses before they're gone. Now, let's dive into everything you're getting. So those are my final thoughts on BrowserAgent. Overall, I think BrowserAgent is one of the more interesting AI automation tools I've seen recently because it focuses on something many AI products still struggle with, actually getting work done. Instead of simply generating content or giving recommendations, it can perform actions inside a real browser, which opens up a lot of possibilities for lead generation, research, data collection, and many other repetitive online tasks. The feature that impressed me the most is the live browser execution. Being able to watch the AI navigate websites, click buttons, and complete tasks in real time gives you confidence that the work is actually being done. It's also a great way to understand exactly how the automation works, which is something many competing tools don't offer. If you're looking for a way to save time, automate repetitive work, and increase productivity without dealing with complicated setups or coding, BrowserAgent is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more software reviews, demos, and online business tools. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about BrowserAgent and whether this is something you'd use in your own business. And if you'd like to learn more about BrowserAgent or grab your copy, make sure to click the link in the description below. Everything you need is right there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Welcome to BrowserAgent. BrowserAgent is your hosted AI browser worker for everyday online operations. What you need to do is just give it clear instructions, then watch it navigate websites, complete forms, publish content, collect useful information, schedule repeat work, and return clear results you can review and use immediately. For you to log in to your BrowserAgent account, just make sure you have your email and password ready. Once you're done inputting both, just click Log in to BrowserAgent. If it happened that you have forgotten your password, do not worry. Just click the Click Here link right here. Once logged in, you will be welcomed by the BrowserAgent dashboard. Here, you can see these three quick axes on running a new mission, viewing all your created missions, and managing your browser profiles. Aside from that, you can also see here the option or the button to watch our demo video, which we highly suggest for you to view first before using BrowserAgent. This is for you to be familiarized with the different features of the app. If you scroll down a little, you can see here your mission control, where your AI browser workers are standing by. You can see here the missions run number, your workers active, and your recently created missions. If you scroll down to the bottommost part of the page, you can see here the option to join us for our live training webinar, where you can have a guided training session to learn how to build custom workflows, configure selectors, schedule recurring tasks, and manage browser profiles inside BrowserAgent. If you are interested in joining the live training webinar, just click the Join the Training Now button. Moving back to the top, you can see here your profile icon. Once click, you can see the following drop-downs: My Account, Privacy, Help and Support, and the Logout button. Here in My Account is where you can see your basic information, such as your name and email address. You can also see here your membership level. In the case that you want to update your profile picture, just click this upload button right here. Make sure that the photo that you will be using is in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format and should not exceed to 5 megabytes. Once click, just select your photo from your files. And if you want to change your name, just directly type it in right here on the designated field. Once you're done updating your name and uploading your profile picture, just click on Update. If you scroll down, you can see here the option on updating your password. Just make sure to input your correct current password on the designated field and enter your new password and retype it on its designated fields as well. Once you're done, just click the update button. But note that if you click the update button, you will be logged out from Browse Agents, and you will be asked to re-log in for security purposes. So take note of your new password. The next dropdown that we have here is the privacy section, where you can change your email address. You can see here your current email address, and if you want to update or add a new one, just click and type on the new email address designated field. Once you're done typing in, just click the update button. Scrolling down a little, you can see here the three options on how to manage your account data. You can either download your data, stop processing your data, or delete your data. Note that BrowserAgent stores your private information like your name and email. It also stores your uploaded graphics such as images, videos, and your music tiles along with text-to-speech. If you wish to download this data, you can do that by clicking this Download My Data button. However, if you wish to stop your private data from getting processed here on BrowserAgent, you can do that as well just by clicking the Stop Processing My Data button. However, please note that doing this will disable your account and you will not be able to use BrowserAgent further. In order for you to reactivate your account, you would have to contact our support team at support@veniaasx.com. Hence, please proceed with caution. But if you wish to delete all your private data permanently, you can do that as well by clicking this Delete My Data button. Please note that this will permanently delete all the data of yours from our BrowserAgent server. This step is not reversible and you cannot use BrowserAgent further. You cannot undo this step from support as well. So, if you wish to reuse BrowserAgent again, then you will have to start all over from scratch. And of course, the next dropdown that we have here is the Help and Support section where all the video and article tutorials are available. And the logout button allows you to log out from BrowserAgent. And that is all for the dashboard walkthrough for BrowserAgent. In the case that you need more tutorials, just visit the Help and Support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome to BrowserAgent Tutorials. Today I'll be walking you through the mission builder of the app. Here is where you can create your own mission builder. Just click this Create Mission Builder button. Now, in the mission field, type a descriptive name for your workflow. Example, Google Maps lead chain. Now, also, you need to select how you want the completed chain's data to be delivered by clicking one of the format buttons. You may either click CSV, ideal for compiling data into spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets, or JSON, which is best if you want to push this automated data into an API, database, or external software, or text, which is perfect for plain text summaries or conversational logs. Once you're done, click the blue Create button. This initializes your workspace where you can now visually link multiple browser agents, assign specific prompts to each step, and construct your automated data pipeline. On the next page, you can see here your drag blocks. Now, this is your toolbox containing 4 types of nodes that you can click and drag onto the main grid canvas. First one is Mission. Mission is standard web agent node where you write a neutral language prompt. Example, scrape the contact info of realtors on this page. Now we also have here data processor. Now data processor is a node used to format or structure the incoming data from previous steps. We have here another block which is the filter or transform. This is useful for cleaning up data, dropping duplicates, or altering text formats. And lastly, we have if or else branch. Now, this is conditional logic that lets you route data down different paths depending on specific rules. Example, if email is missing, go to step A. If email is present, go to step B. Now, the main canvas grid right here, this is the large dotted area that takes space most of this page. Now, there is a large plus button as well that allows you to quickly add a new block directly onto the grid. If you click on that, you can just add a custom title, the description, and the browse profile. Now, once you're done, you can click on Add to Chain. Now, in the bottom left corner of the grid, you have navigation controls, which is the zoom in and the zoom out. And we also have here the fit view icon. And the top control bar, we have here output. In output modes, this lets you choose how you want your final data compiled. Combined merges all steps into a unified final file, while individual lets you keep separate files for each node's output. We also have here the Save Chain button that saves your current workflow configuration so you can return to it later. We also have here the Run Chain button that deploys your automated pipeline, running the blocks one after the other in the sequence. And that is how you use the Mission Builder feature here in BrowserAgent. In the case that you need more tutorials, just click your profile icon and visit the Help and Support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome to BrowserAgent Tutorials. Today, I'll be walking you through the Missions tab of the app. For you to go there, make sure to click the Missions tab from the main menu. The Missions page of BrowserAgent allows you to program an AI agent to perform automation, scraping, or research tasks across the web using plain English instructions. For you to do that, just click the Create Mission button. You need to give your task a clear, recognizable name. Tip: use a naming convention that describes the goal and target, such as Lead Gen Dentist Miami. For step 2, define the agent's instructions. In the large text box labeled, "What do you want the agent to do?" describe your task in detail. To get the best results from the AI agent, make sure to include the following: specific sites you want it to visit, the data points you need it to collect, example, email, phone number, or company name, and limits or quantities, example, collect the first 50 items. For step 3, provide a starting point. Well, this is completely optional. In the Start URL field, you can paste the exact web address where you want the agent to begin its journey. If left blank, the agent will rely on your instructions to navigate or search from scratch. For step 4, select a browser profile. Click the Browser Profile drop-down menu to choose your execution environment. No profile or fresh browser like this starts a completely clean session with no cookies or logged in accounts, which is ideal for public scraping. If you have a saved profile, it means you have previously configured profiles in your Browser Profiles tab, example, containing a specific website's login. For you to select, just click the drop-down button and select from the list. For step 5, choose your output format. Select how you want your extracted data delivered once the mission is complete. You can click on one of these 3 buttons. CSV is best for spreadsheets, Excel, Google Sheets. JSON is best if you plan to feed the data into another software application or API. Text is best for simple, unstructured summaries or notes. For step 6, set an optional schedule. If you want this task to run automatically without manual intervention, toggle the schedule this mission, switch to the right, and select your preferred recurring interval. Example, daily, once, or weekly. Also set the time, and you may set a notification right here. You may select notify once complete, notify on air only, or notify via email. Click Run Mission now to immediately deploy the AI agent to the web and execute your instructions. If you change your mind, click Cancel to return to dashboard. Once you have clicked Run Mission Now, you will be routed here on this page. Now you can see here the task description panel that displays the exact objective and rules that you have input from the previous step. The AI agent reads this directly to guide its decision making. You can also see here your remote browser launch or your live preview. Now, the agent spins up a headless cloud browser right here. You can see it has successfully launched if it has processed its initial search parameters and navigated directly to the target URL. Now, well, for this, you can see the AI action log. Now, here is where you can see your AI agent's real time thought process and technical operations. Now, at the bottom is where you can see the data extraction pipeline. Now, just directly below the task description, the results table is currently reading right here. Now, as soon as the AI agents finishes mapping the page elements from right here, it will begin clicking through the directory profiles, extracting the contact info, and streaming those rows into this table right here. So you can see now the business name, the dentist name, its website, the note, the email address, the phone number, the address, and etc. Now, these are all the information that you have asked your AI agent to be extracted from here. Now, right after clicking Run Mission Now, at first you will see that the status right here is live, but for now it is already completed. It means to say that your AI agent have completed the task that you have provided right here. Once it says live, you can see here the live preview wherein your AI agent is browsing the net looking for the information that you have asked. Now, since this task is already completed, you can now see the full list from here. Now, going back on the main page of the mission, if you click on the actions on your first created mission or the missions that you have created, you can see here view, duplicate, export to CSV, rerun, stop, or delete. Now, this stop button is only applicable if your mission is still on live, and since our status now is completed, so the stop button is not doable. Now, for view, it means that you can open the live mission so you can watch the AI work and see the collected data in real time. For the duplicate action, it creates a copy of the mission so you can reuse it with small changes. If you click on export CSV, it means that you want to download the collected data as a CSV file that can be opened in Excel or Google Sheets. For rerun, runs the same mission again to collect updated or new data. You can see here that it went live again. And as you can see, the AI action log is currently extracting data, and our results panel is still empty because it's not completed yet. And of course, we have the delete button, which aims to permanently remove the mission and its history from your dashboard. And that is all for the mission walkthrough here in BrowserAgent. If you need more tutorials, just click the Help and Support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome to BrowserAgent Tutorials. Today, I'll be walking you through the results section of the app. For you to go there, just click the Results tab from the main menu. In the main window of Results and Exports, your finished extraction appears as a horizontal taskcards. Review the card details to make sure you have what you need. The task name, the title of your automation run, the metadata, check the age of the data and the total volume collected. And we also have here the objective review, a short snippet reminding you what instructions you originally gave the AI agent. Look for the completed green badge on the right side of the card. This confirms that the AI agent safely closed its cloud's browser session and successfully finalized the file structure without crashing. To save your extracted data straight to your local computer, locate the file format indicator badge. This sample is currently in SCV, meaning it is optimized for spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Click the download icon on the far right of the card. Your browser will instantly download the compiled data. Pro tip: if you run more missions later from the Missions or Templates tab, they will instantly populate as fresh rows at the top of this list the second they finish running. And that is all for the results walkthrough for BrowserAgent. In the case that you need more tutorials, just click your profile icon and visit the Help and Support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome to BrowserAgent. For this video, I'll be walking you through the Scheduled section of the app. First, click the Scheduled tab from the main menu. Here on the main dashboard canvas of the scheduled missions, you will see your active autopilot campaigns presented as expandable cards. Currently, you have one scheduled mission active, just like here. Each scheduled task features a breakdown of its tracking data across 5 distinct cards. First is the schedule, displays the base timing rules or the designated start alignment for the automation loop. The next one is next run, shows the exact countdown timestamp for when the AI agent will automatically spin up its next cloud browser section. Next is the last run, indicates the status of your most recent execution. Currently, this one shows pending, meaning it is waiting for its first automated cycle to trigger. We have here total runs, which is a counter tracking how many times this specific schedule has executed in total. And lastly, we have the last run at. This displays the exact completion timestamp of the previous run. On the far right side of your mission card, you will notice a 3-dot menu. Clicking this icon, you can see the Edit and Delete dropdowns. The Edit button allows you to modify the underlying prompt instructions, change target URLs, or alter how frequently the task runs. The Delete button allows you to permanently remove the scheduled automation from the repeat engine entirely to prevent any future credit usage. Remember that the Schedule tab only handles the timing mechanics of your automation. When this specific date arrives and the agent runs, the actual extracted spreadsheets and files will not populate right here. For you to view and download your scrape leads, head over to the Results tab in your left-hand menu once the mission status updates from pending to completed. And that is all for the scheduled walkthrough for BrowserAgent. In the case that you need more tutorials, just click your profile icon and visit the Help and Support section of the app. Welcome to BrowserAgent Tutorials. Today, I'll be walking you through the Template section of the app. For you to go there, make sure to click the Templates tab from the main menu. BrowserAgent categorizes templates to help you find what you need quickly. Now, here in the Templates tab is where you can narrow down your search by category filters just by clicking on tabs like lead gen, social media, e-commerce, competitor intel, jobs and outreach, and content and SEO. You may also categorize it from the difficulty level. You may check the template cards for badges indicating difficulty level and success rates. We have here easy, medium, and hard. Now, once you find the automation that fits your goal, for example, Google Maps lead scraper, just click the Create This Mission button. And same thing, you will be routed to the missions, but for this time, the mission name and the task of the AI agent, the start URL, the browser profile, the output format is are already indicated. Now what you need to do is just alter or edit this mission. And once you're done customizing it, just click on Run Mission Now. Now, same thing will happen. It will go live, and once it's completed, it will present all the results on the panel. Now, note that for all these templates, once the mission starts executing, you can monitor its live progress and download your compiled spreadsheets or text files directly from the results page. Same thing with the missions that you have just created from scratch. Now that is all for the templates walkthrough here in BrowserAgent. In the case that you need more tutorials, just click your profile icon and click the Help and Support section.